Guys, how are you? And today we have come up with another episode, and today we are going to tell you how to catch a snake.
India. As a tropical country with a warm and humid climate suitable for a number of arthropod and reptile species that carry lethal venom in its sacs. In India, scorpions and snakes are considered the major lethal venomous species of medical importance.
I am very afraid of the snakes, man, and today we are going to meet Dr. Varprasad to understand how to catch snakes. Come on!
See, when I get a call for snake rescue, first thing I'll do is I'll see the snake, first identify whether it is venomous or non-venomous. Okay, so if it is venomous, the handling technique is little different because we have to safeguard ourselves also. If it is non-venomous, I can just lift it then, no problem with that.
There are more than 2,000 species of snakes in the world. The list of snakes endemic to India is long and winding as well. With over 300 species of snakes being found here, India is a haven for herpetology enthusiasts.
There are majorly 4 venomous, I said. Anyway, king cobra you can identify very easily. It's black in color or brown, dark brown in color, and it will be around 17 to 18 feet long if it is fully grown, and it will be having hood. Now, viper, it is very ferocious in nature, first of all, and most of these venomous are nocturnal in nature. That is, whatever moves next to that, it will just bite. It will bite.
Every year in India, around 2 lakh people fall victim to snake bites, and out of these, around 50,000 succumb to death.
So, when there is a snake bite, the first, suppose you have not seen the snake at all, but you have the snake bite mark here. Okay, if the teeth mark or bite mark is just like our teeth, U shape on both ends. For example, it has bitten like this. If you can see here V shape and here V shape, then it is pakka non-venomous.
Okay, okay. Then there something weird is happening.
Yeah, so you can see the mark there.
Mark down.
If there is 2 fang marks, okay, bottom you will have that V shape, but in the top you will have only the fang marks. Then it is pakka non-venomous. Okay, so if there is a bite, so you can see 2 fang marks and discoloration just around that. That is, venom has entered. If the person is not treated within certain time, then all other symptoms will start. Once again, the venom action that depends on several factors. First thing is how much venom it has injected.
Okay.
Okay, we don't know how much stock it had or how much force it has used to bite. So that depends.
In the rural areas, especially in the harvesting season, a large number of productive citizens are envenomed by such species.
If it has bitten hand, just make it immobilized by tying to, not very tightly, slowly, lightly, to a wooden piece or something, so that it is immobilized. Don't lift, don't do anything, don't do any actions.
Russell vipers, kraits and cobras were responsible for the most deaths, and most victims were bitten in the legs. As estimated, 1.2 million people have died from snake bite in India in the past 20 years. A study has found this.